The trees bow low, whispering secrets only the old winds know. Fish jump in the creek, chasing silver dreams, while shadows stretch long by the sun's golden beams. Before the rain, the world stands still, a hush on the meadow, a pause on the hill. Beauty's all around if you take the time to feel the rhythm, to hear the rhyme. A puppeteer moves with strings so fine, in a clearing where the sun forgets to shine. His wooden friends dance, though the crowd is small. Even the quietest echoes seem to call. Oh, the world spins around, but the heart stands still in the fairytale forest beneath the hill. Before the rain, the world stands still, a hush on the meadow, a pause on the hill. Beauty's all around if you take the time to feel the rhythm, to hear the rhyme. I wonder why earthlings can't find peace when even the sparrows sing their release. The forest holds true